Hello everyone. Welcome to part 64 of SQL for Beginners series. In this video session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate how to use all operator with multi-row subquery. So, in this video session, I am going to explain how to use an operator called as all, ALL. And this operator need to be used with multi-row subquery. So, in the previous video, I explained how to use an operator known as any with the same multi-row subquery. And in this video session, I'm going to explain how to use an operator known as all with the same multi-row subquery. So, in order to understand how this all operator works with this multi-row subquery, we need to find out the difference between these two operators, that is any and all. So in the previous video, I explained about any operator, and the current video, I am trying to explain the all operator. If you find the difference, if you know the difference between this any and all, then you can easily understand all. So let's say this is a query or SQL statement having the multi-row subquery. Whatever I selected here is a multi-row subquery, which is a query inside another query, right? And here you can see the any operator is there, right? Here we have to use any operator. So what's happening here in this particular statement with respect to any operator? Here, this particular statement is returning you three records, okay? Three product IDs. This particular, when you run this product SQL statement or multi-row subquery, it's giving you three records. One record having the product ID as 19, another as product ID as 37, and other one as 69. These three product IDs are being returned. Okay, select product ID only from order details where quantity is equal to 1. So these three product IDs are being returned by this multi-row subquery. And on the top of that, we have said select star from products where product ID is less than any of 19, 37, 69. So what happened is when this in the statement product ID is less than 19 or less than 37 or less than 69. This is what got executed. Okay, product ID is either less than 19 or less than 37 or less than 69. So here OR operator. So what happened is few records got retrieved from based on less than 19. Okay, few records got retrieved for less than 19, and along with the above records less than 37 records. Okay, there are few records which got retrieved from the 37 less than 37, and here another one, that is 69, right? So few more records which are qualifying this less than 69 product ID condition got retrieved. So total together, okay, total together these records, and these records, so these three type of records got displayed in the results. Okay, when I run this here, okay, here we got the results of the product IDs which are less than 69, at same time which are less than 37, and same time which are less than 19 also. Okay, all these records got displayed here. But when I say less than all, okay, now the time has come to find out the difference between the any and all. But coming to all, this works something like this: 19 and 37 and 69. This is the difference, guys. Here OR operator is there, so all the records which are matching less than 19, less than 37, and less than 69 got displayed here. But here, less than 99 and less than 37 and less than 69. That means it should be less than 19 only, right? The answer here is, if AND operator is there between this 9, 37 and 69, that means less than 99, 37 means less than 19 only, right? Here less than 19 or 37 means less than 37 and all other things, right? But here 19 and 37 means less than 19 only. So 19 and 69 is also less than 19. Only the records which are less than 19 will come here. But here the records which are less than 19, less than 37 and less than 69 are coming. But coming to this AND operation, because this condition will fail in the other records, so only less than 19 will be retrieved. So only the records up to 18. Here you see When I have used all, I mean any, when I used any, I got records less than 68, right? Less than 68. Here product ID is being, you can see that. Okay, let me remove it for a while and then run this so that you will get, you will see the three product IDs, 37, 99, 69 are being retrieved by this multi-row sub query, right? Multi-row sub query. When I write this full statement, so 30 less than 37 and less than 19 and less than 69 will happen in case of all operator. Okay. In case of any operator, or operator is coming, but in case of all operator, and operator is coming. So it's the records of the products which are going to be retrieved. Okay, should have the product ID less than 37 and less than 19 and less than 69. That means less than 19 only, right? And operator means only one condition will satisfy. So this will be only true when all the conditions are true. So less than 19 is the only result that we are going to see. So if I run this, I'll get all the 18 records which are less than 19, whose product ID is less than 19. Okay, less than 19. In case of any, we got less than 69, but in case of all, we got less than 19, less than 19. This is how, guys, this is the difference between the any and all. Okay, this is the difference between any and all. In case of any, or operator will come into place. In case of all, okay, and operator will come into place. The lesser condition will be applied at the end. So guys, this is all about how to use all operator with the multi-row subquery. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.